with my mic being shit right now. I don't know how
That's
to fix
fine.
it.
Rinig ka naman
Go to
namin.
settings.
Nag-start na ako mag-stream.
Yun nga.
Yung device, yung input device mo, palitan mo.
Pinalitan ko na rin.
Ayan,
It's
okay na
dog
mic mo.
shit.
Tingnan na natin
Okay
if may
na ba eh?
makakapag-change ako nun.
Okay na yan.
Okay.
Naka-stream na ako, guys.
Okay na yan. Okay,
Okay
wait,
na
let
lang.
me invite you.
Sige. Okay.
Wow.
Let me
Alam
invite
mo,
muna si ano.
time to use my lawyer skills, chat.
I only have 6. Ito pala, may... What?
Actually, makikisabaw pala ako sa inyo.
Oo, hindi
Mga
makapagsuot
tao.
ng damit. Ang mahal.
Accept mo na lang yung ano, invites. Ano, dati.
How does
Saan ko siya makikita?
why is it, oh, kasi,
Sa ano, sa Discord.
wait, can I not use this chat?
Sa Discord
Sa
sa ano,
Discord?
sa Twitch pala.
Attorney
Sa Twitch, sa
natin,
Twitch.
sing Mama mo Republic ako.
Mama mo Republic.
Sa
Oh, yun na.
Discord?
Dati.
How do I change this? How do I wanna change this. I wanna change this. I wanna change my. I wanna
Wait, saan
change
dito?
myself. I wanna change. Why
Wait,
can
let
I not
me-
change?
Ano talaga.
Wait,
Let
saan
me go to
dito?
your channel na lang.
All I'm doing is farting. That's crazy.
Let me go to your channel. That's what you do, like almost every day, right?
Well, hi. Yeah, so true, so true, so true, so true.
Everyone ready?
Hindi ko makita. Okay.
Ready?
I wanna try being a healer.
Tangin ng
Healer.
Hindi ko makita. Okay.
I wanna try being a healer. Healer.
Hindi ko makita. Okay. Hi. Hi, Van. Okay ba audio ko? Kasi hindi ko alam kung okay siya.
Something's on. I can't hear. I
Ah,
can't.
I
Saan
got it.
tayo?
I got it. I got
Okay
it.
na.
I got it. I got it. Don't worry about it.
Hi, Chi. How are you, Chi? We're just playing. Ano hindi ko lang? Games. Okay. Ano ba to? Ano to?
Or.
Ha?
Tingnan mo lang. Trash bin ba? Tingnan mo lang.
Yes. Okay. Got it.
Tapos
Okay, I'm
bababa na
done.
yung mga basura.
Okay,
Sir
thanks,
Ted,
Dad.
sasamahan kita.
Akyat ako.
I am
Meron
gonna be
ako
doing
dito. Pakinggan mo yung song ng Sujo. Hindi pa, Chi. Wala pa akong time mag-fangirl. Swipe, swipe. Nakita ko yung ano, may mga interview sila. Like, na-miss ko sila. Kasi active na uli sila, ganon. Na-miss ko yung ingay nila. Baka one of these days, baka this week, pakinggan ko na uli yung kanta nila. Oh, hirap naman ito. Okay. That's nice. Wait. Hi, Z. Kanina ka pa kita nakikita. Gala ka lang dyan. Baka siya yun. Iwas na tayo. Hindi na rin ako updated. Pero sabay-sabay sujud twice at Blackpink. Oo nga, diba? Super buong generation ng K-pop sabay-sabay nag-comeback. Kumusta naman yun? Tough. Hindi ko pa napapakinggan eh. Album yung kanila, diba? Like full album. Hindi siya solo lang. Something happened later tayo. Yes, sige, sige. Duda na ako magdi-disband yung mga yun. Parang di na sila madi-disband talaga. Hindi ba? Ano to? Okay, fix the light. No. Bahala kayo mag-ayos niyan. Ano ba to? Okay. Ano naman ganap mo ngayon, Chi? Ayusin natin to. Dito. Dito ka. Dito ka. Dito ka. Ba? Akan. Dito. Akan. Okay. What's next? Your infection era. Ayun, nakita ko yung tweet mo. Na paano ba yun? Bakit parang bumalik yung infection mo? Napa-check up mo na ba uli yan? Oops. Nasaan dadaan ko, be? Ito. Ito ba? Okay. Ayan. Very good ka dyan.
Okay, just
Hi.
checking. Just checking with
Still
everyone.
alive.
What
Alive and
happened?
Still
kicking.
alive.
Wala.
Si Neon.
Why blame Neon?
Wala lang.
Si Z pag-alagala.
Goddamn.
Charot lang.
Insane. Insane talaga, insane. But yeah, I was just checking at everyone. I didn't see Dottie whenever nung namatay yung ilaw. Where were you?
Nasa baba. Pinabayaan ko lang kayo. Nasaan ba ako? Basta hindi ko pinansin.
Okay.
Bahala kayo.
Neon, I call Neon.
Oh my god, what was that?
It's Neon.
I was just, checking at everyone, making sure everything
It's
is fine.
Neon.
Ano ba naman
It's
yan?
Neon.
Ba't si
I promise,
Dottie?
trust me.
Ano?
Pero si
Trust me,
Dottie
it's
pinili mo.
Neon. Walang pinili. I skipped.
Insane ka talaga.
Save for now. Okay. Di ko pala naayos yung reactive ko. Hindi bumubuka yung bibig. Anyways, ayusin ko later. Saan tayo? Dito tayo. Okay, bagay natin dito. Nagbubulok, tapos di nagbubulok. Hindi ko alam. Ano ka? Ito pa? Mama. Boom. Sabi na eh. I know it. Sabi na, sige yun. Sige, i-report mo na rin, Z. I-report mo na rin, be. Naya ka pa eh. Ay, sino yun pala? O, sino? Sige. Sino ba yun? Hindi ko napansin. Sige, mag...
Okay,
It was
self-report
Neon.
guys.
It was
Self-report.
Neon. It was Neon. It was Neon.
Okay, where did you find the body? You can check the map. Cafeteria.
Anyway, hindi naman nila ako maririnig.
I don't
Because they
know,
are
kasi,
still playing.
Z, nasan ka,
Pero
Z?
bakit ganito yung reactive ko? Bakit hindi siya
Medical.
bumubuka yung bibig?
So,
Bakit
medical
ganon?
and cafeteria are
Wow,
very
wow,
near
wow, wow,
towards
wow.
each other. Zuzu, saan ka galing?
Bakit ganito yung
I was
reactive
in.
ko?
Saan to? Nasaan
In?
ako? Nasaan yung map? Ito.
Oh,
Beside medical. I was going
Beside
to the
medical.
comfort. I was going to the
Cafeteria.
It was
cafeteria.
Neon.
Kasi,
okay.
nandun yung
Saan?
press ko, and nandito ako sa may electrical, between electrical and medical.
Okay. Well, me and Latte are on top of the map.
Nagkita
So, ako
kami.
nasa
Nagkita
on
kami.
shower, siya nasa electrical. So, it's either Breezy or Ponzu or a self-report on Neon.
Neon.
Must be,
Wala
I
na
feel
ba
like
ibang
it's a
choice?
self-report. Kasi, I passed
Okay.
by Latte when I was walking.
The thing here,
Papunta.
Latte,
Yeah.
the thing here, the reason why I can't say it's Neon is because Breezy, Z is on medical while Ponzu is
May
stuttering.
sino ba? Tanungin natin yung patay. May sino?
I was stuttering kasi chinecheck ko pa yung map. Hindi ko tanda kung ano yung map eh. Sa laki ba naman?
Latte.
Di nakita kami ni
I
Ponze.
was
So sige,
stuttering
I
kasi
can
chinecheck ko
vouch.
pa yung
Okay.
map. Hindi ko
You can
tanda
vouch.
kung ano
You can
yung
vouch.
map.
Okay,
Go
then I
guys,
pick
kaya
the
nyo yan.
I pick Ponzo. Ponzo! It's Ponzo!
Go ahead and vote me though.
Go guys, kaya nyo yan.
I pick Ponzo. Ponzo! I'm sorry, Neo.
Bye bye.
I'm sorry, Neon. I'm
sorry,
sorry.
Neo.
We're sorry.
I'm so sorry to you. I'm
So sorry, Nian, but it was it a self
I'm
report?
sorry.
We don't know.
So sorry, Nian, but
Oh my god,
It's Z.
Or Ponzo. I don't
It's
know.
Z.
I just killed the person.
Ay, nako.
It's Z.
I
It's
just fucking
Z.
killed the person. Oh my god, holy shit.
You
I just
fools.
murdered the person in cold blood.
Lugar.
So, let's make some tasks dito. Hi, Neon. Ba't di mo pinrotektahan sarili mo? I know, it was Z. Kanina pa siya pagala-gala. Mm-mm. Ilang beses ko na siya nakakasalubong. It's fine.
No. Hello, everyone.
Do you hear us? Finish na lang natin yung task para nanalo tayo. Hmm. Hmm. Which one? Ah, which one? Ito yan? Hmm. No. Ah, ito. This even right? Yung, what I do? Ito. Okay. Bakit yung fake? May fake test? What? Shh. Ano ba ito? Ganun? Ano ba ito? Dapat, ko ba ito? Ano? Color. Ano? Maganda ba ito yun? It's true. Ano ba ito? Crow. Ano ito? Ha, di ko alam. Paano to? Di ko ito makuha. Dapat green. Ah, dapat green. Okay. Thank you, Keru. Hi, Keru. Join ka sa amin. Laro ka. Hi. Hi, Pons. How are you? We're dead.
okay. Where were
It
you,
was
Latte?
Z. It
No,
was Z.
I was with Z the whole time.
No, Dad.
I
You're
was doing
being
a whole
fooled.
Nah,
Where was the
nah,
body?
Z. Nah, it's Latte.
You're being fooled, Dad.
I've seen,
Okay.
I see the, I see the body
Go
near
na, Keru. Sali
the medical
ka. Huwag ka
hallway
mahiya.
there, and I was with
Nandito
Z in the
naman si Latte.
cafeteria.
Okay.
Come in,
Yeah,
come
sure.
in.
Mhm.
Join, kasali ka na ba
I'm
sa
telling
server ni
Yeah.
Pons? Keru?
Huh? You're
I'm
killing me?
telling
Okay.
you, it wasn't me.
Sure. I mean, I was with Z.
Okay, Dad.
Okay.
I
Sorry,
swear,
bitch.
Dad,
I
you'll
wasn't that.
regret it.
Well, I was the
No.
third imposter, and I was helping Z all along.
Sali ka, Keru. Wait lang. I'll send you an invite. Ah, talaga ba, Dad?
No.
Talaga ba, Dad?
I see.
Stop
Sabi
protecting
I told you.
Zoo.
Alam ko eh. I know it was Z.
What the heck?
When-
Dad!
when
Sabi
Neon
ko na
didn't
eh.
die,
Dad!
I knew it was
Paggalagala
Z.
lang si Z.
I'm so sorry.
Alam ko eh.
I should have known it. Nung tinanong mo sa akin kung nasan si Baby Z, I should have known it.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
When Neon didn't tell me, no, si Neon hindi
I sent you an invite, Keru.
Shit,
Sali ka.
I'm so
I knew
sorry.
it. Alam nyo guys, tinanong ako ni Dad, sabi sa akin, Ponso, nasa si Baby Z, may itatanong lang ako. I should have known it.
Sinabi ko sa inyo na paggalagala lang si
Good
Z.
job, Z.
Mag-isa
Good job,
lang
Z.
ako,
Good job,
and
good
I
job.
was just talking to myself. Tapos
I'm
alam ko
sorry,
agad,
but
sabi
if
ko,
I-
feeling ko talaga si Z. Kasi every time nagmi-meeting tayo, ang tahimik
Double
niya.
agent, yes.
Go na,
Sabi ni
Keru.
Van,
Sali ka.
double
Ako
agent
bala
daw.
sa'yo.
Yes,
Ang
I am.
galing.
Wait
I
lang,
am the
ini-invite
third
ko si
imposter.
Nice one,
Keru.
Baby Z. Nice one. Nice one.
Nice.
Keru will
Ay,
wait
nako.
for you.
Ay,
Sali ka.
nako.
Si Meru?
Si
I
Keru.
was actually...
Ay, Keru.
Kasali ka,
Yeah, Keru.
Oh my
Keru,
God.
come on, join
Please,
us.
please, Keru, join us.
Hello,
Okay,
Keru.
Okay, Chi. Thank you so much for being here.
Bakit hindi? Ha?
Tulog mo na yan. Ipahinga mo
real?
na
But
yan.
for real? For real?
Bye-bye.
For
Thank
real,
you.
Z.
Papap.
For real, Z. High five. And a high
Sleep
five
well.
talaga. High five
Ponzo,
talaga.
alam mo ba,
High five
Ponzo,
tayo
pag
dyan.
hindi ka namatay nun, sasabihin ko si Z. I was waiting for you guys to call another one para masabi ko sa inyo lahat.
Dapat nag-call ka na.
Oh,
Ano
actually, you
ba?
should have
Kasi ang layo ko.
click the button.
Ang layo ko
Yeah,
sa
I mean,
button.
you could have run towards it.
I was like, I'ma just do my chores habang safe pa. Tapos, wala. Etong Lumi na to, tinulungan pa. Eh, di tangina mo pala
Kaya
eh.
nga, the betrayal.
I'm sorry, but if you
Tangina
are
mo
the
pala
imposter and I
eh.
found you out that you're the imposter, I am gonna be helping you. That is my number one rule.
Okay,
So
Dad.
if you're the imposter, you can
Okay,
trust me
Dad.
to not
Sabihan
run
agad
badly
kita.
after.
Lalo.
Pass
Yes.
this chat.
And I will help you personally.
Okay.
Pissed. I'm fucking pissed.
Okay, wait.
I'm fucking pissed.
Si Kero ba sasali?
Nag-join na siya sa server. Pero, kung nandiyan ka man, mag-join ka na.
Utos ko. I
Kero,
will
come
hold
on.
your hand, do not worry.
Yes, we'll hold your hand, Carrie.
Yes.
No. The same way I held your hand when I was playing FNAF. No worry, we got this.
Insane. Wait, Kero is already on the server.
Why do I have so many friends with the name Eru?
You have Meru, you have Keru.
Ay nako, distarat ko si Meru. Tapos si Kero bago kong friend. Oh my god. Isn't this game a crypto? I don't know. Is it really? Well, it's eating a lot. Hi naman.
Caru, are you there? Andito na ba siya?
How you doing naman?
Keru is not here yet.
Kero
We're
sa
still
mga
at
ba?
6.
Naglo-load na raw. Okay. We'll wait for you.
Doing good? You're doing good? Wait lang ha.
We got you, Caru. We got you.
Sabi niya,
Sama ka
loading
lang
daw.
sa akin. Kahit ikaw
Huwag ka
yung
maniwala
killer,
dyan,
sige,
papatayin ka
sumama ka
kaagad
lang
niyan.
sa akin.
Pag si Dottie yan, papatayin ka kaagad niyan.
Kung ako yung killer, kasabot kita. Hindi kita papatayin.
Grabe naman, nasa na yung drill doon.
Ayun na yung trail.
Sorry, guys.
Hold ko yung hand niya. We'll do the
Z,
climb
don't
together.
apologize. You did great.
Oh
Okay,
nga,
you
G.
did really good.
Why are you saying sorry?
You did really good.
Ayun yung role mo sa game eh. What can you do?
Hindi, pinatay niya kasi yung mga pinsan niya.
Minsan
Wait
marang
lang.
naman ako ng loob kay Dad.
Of course.
Hindi
masama
gumagalaw
talaga loob sa
yung-
akin ng mga anak
Uy,
ko.
may question ako. Hindi bumubuka yung bibig ko dun sa reactive ko. I mean, sa avatar ko, sa stream. Bakit ganun? Pero okay naman
Saan?
yung nasa video tube. Ba.
Uy,
Please, I don't know
hindi,
why.
babaan mo yung arrow, ibaba mo yung arrow.
Aling araw?
Yung nasa, 'di ba yung kulay green na bar, tapos may arrow sa taas, babaan.
Green na bar. Ayun.
Yan,
Okay.
baba,
Oh my
baba.
God. Okay na.
Okay.
Pinakababa?
Yan.
Okay.
Yan,
Ba't ko ba
nababa na.
itinaas yun?
Babaan
Okay.
mo lang. Wag mo naman
Ba't
sobrang
gagawa
baba.
yun?
Sorry.
Taasan mo konti.
Hi. Ba.
Ba't gagawa yun?
Nakabuka
Gitna.
lang yung bibig mo. Taasan mo naman konti. Baba mo pa konti. Baba mo pa.
Ba, 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 ba.
Yan. Mga
Ba,
around,
ba, ba, ba.
around 20%.
20.
Yan, okay
Ayan,
na yan.
okay. Okay. Kaya pala. Okay, thanks, Dad. Andito na si Keru.
Okay na.
Is
Keru
she
is
here?
not
Is she
yet.
here? Okay, we'll wait for you,
Ang
Keru.
naisip kong papatugtugin.
Wala pala akong
Love
ka-sound
Maybe by
dito.
Melomans.
Huh?
Love Maybe by Melomans.
Oh, I see. I know that.
Yes. 이거는 세계이겠대.
Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba. Hi, Keru! Oh my god, you're here. Hi, hi, hi.
Where is Keru?
Where are you? Where are you?
Oh my
Keru,
god,
where are you?
We can't see you. Where are you?
Oh my god!
Why are you not yet on the Goose Goose Duck? Hello?
Where are you? Are you there?
Wait. Keru is on
I'm
As a
about to
Discord.
Nandito pala si
Keru,
Keru.
please join. Please, Keru, join.
Andito pala siya sa call.
Keru, nandito ka pala ha.
Keru, I missed you, Keru.
Please,
Guys,
Keru.
I'm done with my stuff. I can join now.
Hi, hi, hi.
Go, Jay.
Please,
Hintay ka
please
namin.
join, Keru. Please, 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 please.
I'm gonna
Nice
join.
meeting you, Keru. Please join, please.
I'll just
Oo,
join.
nice meeting you rin, Keru. Totally nice meeting you.
Please join the
Ah,
game, Keru, if you want.
Ay.
Yes.
Join game.
How many are you guys?
Oh.
Abot pa, Jay.
Welcoming committee
Habol
po
ka.
yan.
Oh.
Ganyan po ang welcoming committee ng
Ay.
ano.
Yang
Hindi
yang.
pa na kayo makasound.
Oh my god.
Hello, party people.
Okay, Jay is here.
Welcome,
Jay!
Okay.
Oh my God, dumadami na tayo.
Jay, sali ka na, Jay.
Dumadami tayo.
Namiss niyo ako, no?
Okay.
Yes, namiss kita.
Join.
Namiss ka ng tatay mo.
Good.
But now we're
Well, at least. Okay, we so back. We're so
Joining,
back.
Keru.
Yes, joining.
Let's go.
Yes, Keru is gonna be here.
Yay!
There you go,
We're here.
Keru! Surround her. Cover her with your heat.
Hello.
Come on.
You're
Let her-
here. You're here.
burst.
You betrayed me, Keru.
Let
You
her
betrayed
burst
me,
into
Keru.
power. Ano?
Fart,
Okay,
fart,
Neon,
fart,
Hanzu, Latte, Jay,
Yeah, I'm ready.
go get ready.
fart, fart,
Oh,
fart.
sige, sige.
Let's go. Full gaming.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna do another task. We task tayo. Hi, Dad.
Are you the duck?
Nope,
If
I'm
you're
not.
the duck, let me know. I will help you.
I am not eh.
Okay. But I will still follow you.
Okay.
I am not the duck though, so
Okay.
if I'm offering my help, I am not the duck.
Okay, noted, sir.
If I am not offering anything and I just kill you on sight, then I am the duck.
Okay. I'll do some task
Where
here. May task ako here.
where the ala ko nag-vent ka. I think there's gonna be 2 ducks. Cause we're like
Oh.
8 players. Hi, Zuzu.
Okay. Hi, Zoo.
There's 2 ducks already, okay?
Okay.
Ba't
Zuzu,
yung tandem to?
hindi. Ano ka ba?
Okay. What if magsama-sama
Mag-tandem
tayong
kami,
tatlo?
tingnan natin, ah. Okay.
Oo, pinatay
Zuzu,
ka na
come here,
namin.
daughter. Tatlo
No, no,
tayo.
no,
May task ka dyan?
I have trust issues na.
Hindi nga kami, oh, hi, latte. Okay, let's do it together.
Okay. Double kill.
Okay, double kill.
Go kay Zuzu. Go kay Zuzu.
Nasaan ba siya? Nasaan siya? Sundan natin siya.
Oh, by the way, there's 2 ducks now since we're 8
Hi, Pons.
Wala
Hi.
daan.
Ano to? Asena. Hindi ko hindi to. Paano ko to kukuhanin? Oh, may duck. Okay.
Okay, where did... Oh my
Oh my
fucking god,
God,
there's no ones anyway, guys.
Carol! Bakit nauna kami?
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Who did?
Sino
Okay, okay.
nag-call?
So here's the thing. I can vouch for Zuzu and Dottie kasi magkakasama kami tatlo. The whole time.
Nagkasama rin ako sa iyo, umalis lang ako. Namatay na po.
Ayun
Si
nga, lumayo
Latte
ka.
dumating lang
Who
bigla.
knows?
So,
Charot.
I feel like it's... No, but seriously, kaming tatlo ni Zuzu, magkakasama kami.
Oo, nakita ko yung magkasama kayo eh.
Ako, si Dottie, si Zuzu. I feel like it's either... Si Jay siguro. Magaling
What?
tumulayan na to.
Alright, listen. I only saw Kero at the beginning of the game, and I haven't
Either-
actually seen anyone. This is so sad. I've been
Yeah.
looking around.
Leon, may...
Neon, defend yourself. Z.
Ano the fuck did you do? It's Neon! Takang
It's
sisigaw ka
Neon.
naman.
It's Neon.
Do this.
It's Neon. It's Neon. It's Neon. It's Neon.
Okay. Sure, why not?
Why are you not defending
I
yourself,
mean, we can vote
Neon?
here. We can
Okay,
vote
so-
here because like
I'm
we can
willing.
Sino
still vote
buvote
here.
nyo?
I voted Neon.
I voted Jay.
I voted din. Naniniwala ako kay... Naniniwala ako kay kapatid.
Kero will pay.
I'm sorry, Neon.
Oh
Neon.
my
Hello.
God.
Sorry, Neon.
Go on, guys.
Siya yun?
Sorry.
Sorry, Neon.
You should have defended yourself. Okay. Okay. I have another task. Saan? Dito. Sa baba. Baba natin. Ay, joke lang. Ano ba? Well, spam.
Are you doing?
Hi, everybody. May task ako
Guys.
here.
Where's Dottie?
Yes. Ay! Ano to?
Where are you?
Ay,
Hello?
ulit. Add personal energize. Turn up. Crank it.
I'm with you, ha? Para nobody can say it's me. May task pa ako.
Okay. Okay. Saan task mo? Sumakit
Okay. Saan ba yung security? How do we have to go there. I'm lost.
Di ba ikaw yon?
Okay.
Hindi ikaw yun, ah.
Where the heck is... Dito ba yun?
May
Nakatingin
arrow
ako sa
pa.
minimap. There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, I can get my egg. I'm the father. I am the father.
Wait, may task ako dito. Uy, asan ka na? May task ako dito. Sige, ikaw muna dyan. Sige, ikaw muna.
Yeah. Reset the computer.
Oh, andito na kayo lahat.
Okay, it's
Sinasamahan ko si Jay.
okay. Yeah, just give me a minute.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, tapos na. Ano yung gagawin mo?
Okay, mayroon ako dito. Dito. Here, I have one here.
I'm so happy na tapos ka na yung ginagawa ko.
Si Ancona.
Oh, i-batch mo ako ha. Kumakatalak ako dito.
Okay, is this enough? No, it is not. Ay, we won?
See? For fuck's sake, Latte, why did you kill me?
Please.
Why did you kill me, Latte? I was helping out your daughter.
Naging ano na pala, it's two
It's
people.
Oh,
okay,
yung
I got
mag-ama.
you.
Yung mag-ama.
I got
It's two
myself.
people
Me
now
and my
where-
daughter. Learn from the best.
I know. I was
I'm
assuming
gonna
that
listen.
I'm
just
so
having
sorry,
one
Carol.
person.
I'm so sorry, Carol.
Carol.
You guys.
Carol.
No, I'm
You
annoyed.
guys- you guys
I'm
are-
annoyed. You know why? You know why?
Carol.
I told you, Z. I told you. I was gonna help you, but your father killed me.
True.
You guys are the worst.
Fuck you,
talaga.
Latte. Fuck you, Latte. Fuck you.
I'll tell you
Fuck you, Latte.
alam mo yung nakita ko,
The
kasi
worst.
kakasplit ko lang sa inyo at alam ko saan kayo pupunta. So sabi ko, meaning, pag pinatay ko si Kero, pwede kong sabihin, oh, may namatay na pala.
You guys are the worst.
Naliwala kayo dun eh, so I'm sorry.
Wait, I'm gonna adjust some settings. I'll
Not really.
make Okay,
I was
let's
like,
we're gonna be
I
adding
saw.
we're gonna be
It was the
adding
perfect
someone.
moment. It was
I
the
thought it was
perfect
just
moment,
one
Carol.
person.
Ooh.
I didn't know it was
Sorry.
two.
Hitman Duck and
You're
Bodyguard
not
Goose. Okay,
sorry.
we're gonna be
I'm
adding
No, you're
someone.
not. You
I'm so
lie.
sorry, Carol.
You
No.
lie. You cheat.
I'm
You
sorry. It
lie.
was me. I was the killer.
It was you.
The killer.
I was the killer.
You were the killer.
Wait,
It was
guys.
Norway.
So we're
That
gonna
was
be
Norway,
adding
I'm
a
sorry.
bodyguard for the goose, or rather for the duck. So the third imposter is, or rather the double agent will work now. So if you are the
What?
bodyguard, you are gonna be defending the goose, or rather
Gusto
the
ko
duck.
yung random, gusto ko yung random roles. Pwede tayo mag-random roles. I want
Dati
that.
go
I want that
go
one.
unmute sa shared chat. Mag
Ah,
mag-mute ka sa Hindi,
Okay.
okay na yung bodyguard
Okay,
lang.
pasend nga ulit. Natanggal ko ata.
Go knock on us. Pag hindi ka namin hindi na ako pwede mag-invite. Mag-knock ka na lang sa stream namin.
Knock on my...
knock knock.
Knock picture.
Try to knock on Ponzu stream.
Picture.
Na.
Okay, Screeny, guys. Screeny. Wait, let's go on a form again. Here, go on a line. Go on a line.
Cute.
Ponzu,
Uy, adjust tayo.
adjust.
Cute.
Okay, Screeny.
Say cheese.
Anak na.
Say goose.
Anak ka
Say
ng
duck.
dating. Okay, game.
Goose.
Ano na? Go on.
Okay, one more game.
Thank you for
Hi, Zoo. Are you the duck?
Hello.
Are you the duck? Tell me. I'm not. Okay, let's do the task together. Hi, Neon. Should we follow Neon?
Ano
Mas ako
sasabi
dito.
dito? Dinod niya?
Sa shared chat? Oh, you up. Another one here. Swipe. Ang dami dito ah. Log in. Diyan mga nitong pinggan. Ito doon? Ba't refreshing? Gusto nang sambingin lababo? Nasaan yung singin?
I will be present.
Hi. Okay. Oh my God. Virgin.
Hello.
Stop following you, baby.
looking for the kill. Go.
Hello, everyone. Hi, everyone. Hi,
As much
everyone.
as I wanna be the
Hello.
killer,
Hi,
Are you the killer?
everyone.
Am I
Nope,
stupid?
nope, nope.
Am
I am the
stupid?
killer.
Killer.
Si Ponzo yan eh.
Ano ba ba dito? Wala na dito.
Killer.
Hi. Saan ba?
Hey guys,
So,
kamusta naman kayong...
What if magkakampi tong dalawa tapos may...
What if, no? Hindi nga ako binit. Hindi ako marunong mag-live.
Watching you, Ponzo.
I'm
Why are you
with
guys
looking
following
for
me?
someone
I'm
who can
watching
vouch.
you, Ponzo the killer. The killer.
Oh no, the lights were rated. I knew it. G, oh my God, G. Hey. Hi. Okay, someone, please find my body. Konju. Pons. Hello. My body is right there. You gotta report it. Hi. Hans. Girl, do you hear me? You don't. Ay, nako, girl, nandiyan ka dumaan. My body is right there, above me. Ah, di ba yan? Oh my God. Guys, I'm dead. Ah, oh my God, these people.
Neon,
Hello,
explain
hello.
yourself. Why are you near the body?
What?
Yep.
Oh,
no, wait.
Ito na naman si
Neon,
Jay. Ang galing na
What
naman ni
happened?
Jay dito.
Okay,
Neon.
so here's the thing. Jay, where
What
were you?
happened?
Where did you come
Uh,
from
I
when
Sige,
the lights
Jay.
turned off?
wait.
Defend
I
yourself,
come from
Last
Jay.
people
another.
I saw, last people I saw was si Doti, Doti, and then I went up. I think si Doti was doing a task. I went up. I got lost in corridor.
Where are
Diba?
you on?
Really,
Corridor.
Jay?
Oh, that's
Yeah,
funny
right
because
Really?
I
side ng,
found the
yung right side
body
ng
near the
electrical.
corridor.
Corridor
Anong
as in
corridor
right side ng
pinag-uusapan?
electrical.
Really,
Yeah,
Jay?
oh, doon. Okay, so you were
Nice,
coming from where?
Jay.
Medical security or reactor?
Where is that? I came from the cafeteria going up, and then I
Oh,
missed electric.
cafeteria
Yeah,
going up.
yeah. And
Okay,
then this
so
is Doti.
I found the body near the engines and hatchery, but it
Yeah,
has a way to the
Okay.
cafeteria. So I feel like it's Jay.
It
no.
is. It is
What's wrong with you
true.
guys?
The thing
I
is,
said no. I got lost.
Neon was on the reactor the whole time. I saw him before the lights went out, and he was still
Oh,
there. The same
What
place, the
if,
same
what if,
position.
what if, what if?
Okay.
Diba?
Hmm.
I was trying to affirm a
Guys,
thought and
come
the thought was
on.
But
affirmed.
but the thing here
It's
is,
Jay.
the reason why I'm suspecting Jay is because yun nga, late nga siya dumating doon sa electricals. And he was going from the engines and not from the medical. So the
Go,
corridor.
Oh,
Dad.
So
and
he
Do
was
it.
lying.
kanina. Wait, what am I?
Rock your body.
Hello?
Rock your
Yeah,
Yeah, we
Kani-
can
hello,
hear you.
Mari.
I
Okay.
can hear
Kanina
you.
kasi nakita ko, palagi nakasunod si Bunso kay Doti.
Yeah, they were both together. So Jay, defend yourself,
Yes.
please.
I already said my piece.
Go,
I've
Okay.
already said
Jay.
my. I've already said.
Do you
my
swear on
piece.
your
Enough with
father's
that.
life?
I swear on my father's life, bro. I swear
do you
You're
swear on
next,
do you
Dad.
swear on
You're
Nubile?
next.
I swear
but
on
but
Nubile.
legit,
Kaya,
I really
dala mo
saw.
kayong kayo last round. I
The thing
swore on
is,
my father's
Jay
life. I
was
swear.
not going up from Jay was not going away from the corridor from medical cafeteria to medical to the electrical room. No,
Yeah,
I
because I
saw
was going
his.
to crew quarters. I thought that there was an entryway from crew to electrical, but
Go, Jay.
there's
No,
no
It
Defend
was
entryway.
Kero.
yourself.
now Kara was not the killer because I asked her if she was the killer because I was trying to help
Eh,
her
what if
out, but
naman
no.
nagsinungaling siya? What if nagsinungaling siya sa'yo?
I don't know.
I'm a
Was-
nobody.
Kasi yun, siya yung una nagsabi, oh no, it's me.
Oh
then-
no. Oh
Mm.
no. I still choose
Hmm,
Jay.
Okay.
Sige. Jay, I'm
Fine
sorry.
then.
Mahal kita,
Fine
Jay, don't
then.
worry.
I'm sorry, Jay. I
Mm.
love you, but
Jay, you're out, Jay.
Sino nag-vote kay Kero?
Ba't kay Kero?
I feel like lahat ay voted Kero.
No, I actually voted for Jay. I was just fucking with
See?
Yay.
I knew it.
I knew it. Lagi nakapuntot kay Doti.
Yeah.
Sabi ko pa, sabay kami gagawa ng task. Tapos pinatay ako. Alam mo ba, Ponzo, nasa may taas mo lang yung body ko. Hindi ka umakyat.
Ay, hindi ko
si
nakita.
Ponce didn't go up.
Yes, nandun lang ako.
Neon was legit on the same task since kanina pa. Kahit namatay na yung yung ilaw.
Naka-clip ba yun? Kailangan ko
was
i-click
there.
yun.
Oh, pero di ako nagsinungaling ah. I didn't lie though. talagang galing ako doon. And then I thought
Really?
that there
So
was a
you
way
went from
Yeah.
electrical, or rather you
I
went
went-
from the
Yeah.
reactor going around?
Nagkamali lang ako. I thought that there was a way to electrical from screw. Tapos sabi ko, ay, it's just a wall. It's just a wall. Pader lang yun.
Okay. Ready up, guys. Are we gonna be changing maps ba or dito na lang?
Rock your body.
Dito na lang.
Sorry.
Anyway.
Hoy, hi, ako lang. Ano ba yan? Ako na naman. Ayoko nito. Mag-isa lang ako. Ano ba yan? Oh my God. How am I supposed to do this? Oh my God. Paano nga? Ay, kaya ako na naman yung killer. Ako na naman yung killer. Killer.
I saw the Dottie, ah.
Killer. It's fine. Labas tayo dito. Ano ito? Ano ba yun? Iba pala to.
I wanna dance through the
Go out.
night.
Go away. Go away.
I wanna let's see you tonight.
Sino
I
yung
was
nag-shoutout
Jay.
sa kanya?
I found an electrical. I
I
don't
was
Medical?
with
know.
Bonzo.
Yeah.
I was with
Medical.
Latte.
I'm with
Wait,
Dad.
sa medical. Nakit si Latte, biglang lumapit sa akin sa cafeteria, tapos galing siya sa taas.
Galing ako sa
Basta
baba.
ako
be.
galing akong
Galing ako
rec
actually
room papuntang
pababa.
comms, papuntang
Ah,
bridge.
baba,
Nakita
okay.
ko lang si Dottie.
Pababa ako nun. Kaya ako gumawa galing taas. Galing ako hatchery.
Okay.
The
Who else?
killer.
Yeah, we
I
can
don't
skip
know.
here.
Okay.
We can skip.
Skip.
It's just one body naman.
Sa,
I'm
ano tawag?
sorry.
Saan yung katawan?
si Bunso. Wawa naman Bunso.
Saan yung
Nauna.
katawan? Ako na binoto ako. Gago ka.
Hello, I'm so sorry, Jay. Kawawa naman.
So sorry.
The killer. Okay. What should I do here? Nasa mga tao? Where are the people of the earth? Are they here? No, they are not here. Let's sabotage this. Where are the people? Hi, there's a people here. Hi there. Hi, Neon. Hi there, Neon. Hi. It's hard. Hi, Carol. Hi, Carol. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Yes.
Okay. I shall protect you.
Okay.
No one touches my daughter. Or else I will kill you all. Go away, crazy.
Crazy.
It was me.
Crazy.
Ikaw kami. Tutulungan kita.
Yes, it's moon. Crazy.
Okay, so I found it on security.
Security.
Mm.
Nasaan yung
Crazy.
security? Okay, I was with
Near
Neon and
cafeteria.
Keru.
I
Sa
was
showers.
with Dottie.
Yeah.
Dottie and me were like running around.
Mm.
Tapos, I'm not sure kung saan napunta si Dottie, but I found the body. Tapos, before I left, I'm not sure kung saan napunta si Dottie, but I found the body. Before I left the security room. I think Dottie was going up. But I found the body
Yeah.
on the security room. I think Dottie was going up.
Nag-hike kami.
Saan papunta ka ba?
Yes.
Saan papunta ka ba
I
ng
was
Bantya?
with Keru and Neon dun sa taas. Sa
Nakasalubong
shower.
ko din si Keru.
I was with Keru and Neon dun sa taas. Sa
I- I
shower.
just-
Hello.
Neon Z, saan ka
Also don't
nagpunta?
just showers.
I came from crew quarters going to airport.
Okay, si showers.
Kasi Neon, kasama ko sa shower.
Wow, ba't kayo magkasama? That's the question.
Uy, dad. Dad naman.
Si Latte sa chat naka tatlong dot lang. I'm so sorry Latte, pero namatay ka. Hindi ko nakita kung sino. But yeah, I think we can still skip here.
I'm sorry, Latte.
I mean, there's
Your
only
death was
one
in
killer
vain.
anyways.
Only one? The pressure.
Yeah, there's only one killer here. Because what I did was there's a bodyguard and a killer.
I
Oh my
didn't.
god.
Okay, so nag-skip
But-
pala sila.
Sabi ni Jay, pwede na ako mag-sad boy. Big tweet.
Go, Jay. Feel free. Okay. I must find my dad. Where is my dad? Dito ba yan? Dito yan, dito yan. Where should I go? I need to find my dad. Where is my dad? Hi, Pons. Hi.
Hi,
Hi, Dad.
Anyong.
Hello. Hello. Zuzu. Saan ka? Naghanap ako.
Hi, Z. Hi, Neon. Everyone is here.
Yes, okay, so everyone's here. Ayan si Zuzu. May task pala ako dito.
Let me have my task
Ang layo
here.
naman ang task ko.
Plok.
Hello, hello,
Plok,
hello.
plok, 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 plok.
Bakit tayo mag-spray nito? Where's my daughter?
I'm here. Is everyone here?
Okay, now this is disturbing.
Okay.
Why is it that every time I go outside, or rather outside quarters, I always find a body. It's either a corridor or going somewhere. Someone's messing with me. Zuzu, saan ka nagpunta?
Nandito ako sa security.
I'm headed to the pond shower. Tapos nakita ko yung body. I feel like pwede mo makita yung security details yun, di ba? Like, pwede mo makita yung cameras.
Yeah.
Hindi ko
Yeah.
nakita doon.
Hindi mo nakita, okay. Do you have any clues, guys? Kasi tangina wala ako. Clueless ako. I was running
I'm
around
also
looking for someone.
clueless. I was
Where
saying
are you,
hello to
Neon?
everyone.
What if nagsa-self-report si dad?
What
You can
if?
go ahead and throw me out, but seriously, I don't know. Hi Krieg. Hi, welcome to the chat. But yeah, legit, I don't know who. Every time that I go somewhere, somebody just shows there.
Wala naman yung title stream.
Oh.
Siyempre, Iya,
Okay.
magaling yung nag-isip niya
So
ni.
who are we gonna be voting out? Are we gonna be skipping again? Cause we still are 5.
Oh. I don't know.
Sige, I guess I can skip kasi wala pa akong masyadong evidence dun sa sinasuspect ko.
Who are you suspecting
Okay.
anyways?
I'll find out later.
Insane? Walang maniniwala kay Dad, sabi ni Iya. Insane ka ba, Iya? Na may personal ka ni Iya, ha?
Insane. Oh my god. Where should I go? Hi, Carol.
Hello. Nice to
Hindi si Carol. Should I? Should I kill that and then self-report it? Hi, Neon.
Gulat siyang minay
Hi,
siyang ano.
Ponju.
Hello.
Hi, Carol. Taskwell.
Hello.
Taskwell. Oh.
We will watch it. Hi, Dottie.
Hi.
Should I
Look.
drink someone again?
Look. Look. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay, so hindi.
Nasa
Where were you? Where did you find the body, May?
crew quarters.
Crew quarters. Crew
Quarters.
quarters.
Sa crew quarters. And where are you, Neon? And Kero, kanina? Kasi I was in...
I found
I was...
them there. Like, di ba nakasalubong ko
Sino?
silang dalawa?
Yeah.
Si Kero
Si
and
Kero
Neon.
and Neon, yes.
Yeah.
Umikot ako, naikutan ko
galing?
sila.
Ano, what were you doing sa crew quarters?
Sino?
Like, kayo guys, both of you, Neon and Kero. Like, ano, what were you doing sa crew quarters?
I went to... We met somewhere sa... Malapit sa communication. Sa weapons. Kami
Weapons.
ni May when we were saying hello.
Yeah.
Then pumunta ako
We
sa
bumped
bridge.
many
Nagano ako
times.
Sa weapons. I clicked on the storage. Then, I don't know. And then I pressed submit. That thing.
And Neon?
Hmm.
Kasi I was inside the reactor. Why do I feel like it's Neon? Or May? No, I'm not sure.
I actually voted Ponzu. Kasi
Why did you vote for me?
kasi si
Kasi
Kero and
nagkasalubong
hindi
tayo
kita
kanina,
na
diba?
pero once lang. Eh sila nadaanan ko multiple times.
And they were
That's
there sa
true.
crew quarter ko. Nandun sila, malapit sa crew quarter. So, me, nasa reactor ako. Ang layo ko.
Hmm.
It's either Neon or Kero.
Hmm.
And I think it's Neon kasi kanina pa siyang tahimik.
Hindi niya, never niya
Pero-
dinefend sarili niya.
Throw me out. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let's make it interesting. Throw me out. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Are
go
you
ahead.
sure? Are you
Yeah,
sure?
yeah, yeah. Make it interesting. Make it interesting. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Make it interesting. Throw me out. Throw me out.
It's either Neon or
For
Kero.
content. For content. For content. For content. For content.
Okay. Oh no, Carol.
No.
Oh no.
Why? Why would you
I
vote
said
for
throw me
me?
out. Make it content.
What the heck?
What the heck?
Ay, hindi pa tapos? Hindi pa tapos? Hindi pa rin tapos? Oh my God. Hi. Is that you? Is that you? Is that you? Okay. Bakit? Is that you? No? Okay. Hmm? Ay,
Okay. Okay. Throw me
okay.
out. For the I want content. I want the content.
Okay.
I want the content.
Kero wants
yeah.
wants
I
a
want
content.
content. I want content.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Wait lang.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Your wish is our
Anong buzzer?
command.
Yes, 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 yes.
How do I vote?
Wait. We have to wait for
Okay.
yung
In-shane
first
content,
10 seconds.
Kero.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In-shane.
Let's look at the content. I want to see the
Insane.
content.
In-shane.
Jane.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's for the content.
Why are you
Let's
sad,
go.
everybody?
Everybody. Yeah, yeah. Rock the
Yeah. Hindi pa rin tapos. Ano ba yon? Hindi pa rin tapos. Ayoko na.
Yay!
Yeah, self-reporting.
No.
Hi.
We were
What?
conspiring together. Kakampi ako ni
Oh my
Dot.
Pero, kung narinig
Oh
mo
my
na
God.
sinabi ko sa'yo. Ano ba yun?
Wait lang,
I'm
guys,
so
yung ano,
sorry,
Ang
Latte.
lakas ng aking alert.
No, Dottie. Kung nakinig ka
What's
lang-
happening?
Hello.
I'm
Ang
so
lakas ng alert ko,
sorry.
Dottie, are you proud of your dad?
I'm proud of
I'm sorry
myself.
for the alert. Nagising yata kayo doon. But thank you so much, Kindle.
Yeah,
Lower.
thank you
for
so
the
much, Dad.
follow. Really appreciate
Thank you so much,
that.
Dad.
Louder.
I owe you a
Hi,
lot.
welcome in.
Uh,
My name is Ponzu.
oh my
Favorite. You-
gosh.
Are you proud of your dad?
Yes,
Louder.
thank you so much.
Are you proud? Ngayon,
Louder.
alam mo na
Yes.
kung ano yung kapangyarihang meron ako.
Okay.
Louder.
Where is Latte?
Hi, Kindle. Hi, Kindle.
I'm so sorry, Latte.
The moment I knew it was.
I'm sorry.
Kasi I knew it
Hindi
was
ako
you.
papatay.
Naririnig ko kayo.
Defen in game kasi.
Okay.
And I was like, pwede na akong tumulong. Kasi pinatay ako.
I'm sorry. Hindi ko na natapos yung sinabi mo. Ayun. Na-kill ko kaagad.
Kahit kanino.
Okay, next time. Next time. Next time.
If I
Wala
ask
na
you
Wala
guys
na,
if
wala.
you were
my
the
bunso's
killer
life, wala na akong trust kahit kanino.
on my
Kaya,
bunso's life, guys.
Killer.
sinira niyo na ako.
Ayoko na,
Okay,
ayoko na.
ready
By the
up,
way,
ready up.
by the way, 7th nga pala ako, no? Kasi gigets ko naman.
The volume.
It was
Guys,
interesting
come
nga,
on.
no, Kero?
Ready up na, ready up na.
It was
Kero,
interesting nga.
come on.
Yeah.
You had the
That's okay,
content na,
guys.
Kero.
I'm 7th.
Onzo,
Kero
come on.
sacrificed for the content.
Yeah, I
Ano
sacrificed
ba
for
yan,
content.
Kero?
We like content, we
Mag-ready
love
ka na po
content. Onzo, come on.
Content. Okay, salamat. Okay.
Ponzo,
Sorry,
come on.
Jay. Inuna kita. Okay. I'm a normal citizen. I am a normal citizen of this community. But as we know, wait. What's the first one?
What?
Linis, linis. Linis, linis. Who's there? Yes.
Doti, it's me, Dad. I
Oh,
have something to tell
no.
you.
Okay.
No. I heard Jay saying finally.
Oh.
He said something about finally.
Oh.
He was staring at something blank the whole time. So
Okay.
doing this, and I want you to.
Hi,
I want you
Carol.
to be. Hi, Kero. Kero, I wanna tell you something.
Okay.
I overheard Jay saying, finally,
Uh-huh.
because he said, finally, I was staring at something blank the whole game. So he was like, he said first, finally, then when he saw me, siyang nagbago ng sinabi. So, yeah, I'm gonna be pressing this. We all report, okay? We all report. We go ahead and throw Jay
Jay.
out of the room.
Okay.
Tatlo lang
Jay,
tayo.
dito lang kayo, dito lang. Dito lang kayo. I'll go ahead and gather more,
Wow.
gather more people.
Okay. Should we trust that? Charot. Okay. Okay.
Your papa. I mean,
But
you know,
but
I mean,
remember when he said na if you are the killer, just tell him and he will protect you.
that's true. That's true. Baka mas
What
murder.
if?
Baka mas murder.
Diba?
Oh no. Oh no.
Hi,
Tama
Neon.
ba?
We are innocent, Neon. Trust us. Oh my God. No, don't do that.
Okay.
No,
So
no, no,
Jay
no, I
said,
don't trust.
okay.
So
Go,
Jay
Jay,
is here.
go fix the shit. Go fix the shit.
Oh God, where am I supposed to go? Wait, where
Go
is
fix
it?
the shit. Go fix the shit. I'm gonna press the
Go fix
button.
the...
When the start of the game, he said finally he's gonna be doing something.
But what
he
if
sees something.
Jay already came to you and asked for your help? Okay.
Oh no, chat. Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay, guys.
Hello.
Oh,
I've gathered you
no.
all here today because I have witnesses. I have people that have my back. Jay, I'm so sorry, but I'm voting you out.
What did I do?
No explanation needed.
Never done
So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 people behind my back right now.
Okay. Wait, what's your alibi?
Latte,
Ah,
Doti,
right.
Bonzo, Kero. You all know what I said, right?
So, you guys keep talking.
You all know what I said already.
Wait.
But should we
I don't-
trust
did you hear,
the...
Okay, so you can tell.
So here's the thing. At the very start of the game, I went directly to security to do my task. And you know what I heard? I heard Jay saying finally, like he was like he felt something accomplished. He did something. He got something na gusto niyang role.
What if...
Okay. I said
So
finally
either-
because I finally
What
got
if
to play the
ano,
game.
Dad?
You didn't
What
hear
if...
what I said?
What if bodyguard pala siya?
That's the thing. If you kick the bodyguard out, the killer is gonna go alone.
I don't care anymore. don't care, bro. Believe
Or
me.
what if may ginawa lang siya?
When I was
Nakakatakot
when I
kasi
was in
baka
the same
mamaya.
room as Lumi, I literally said, finally I get to play the game. That's what I said. I said, finally I
Okay.
get to play the game. Because I spent the whole
Okay.
time being dead.
Baka
Just starting dead
nag-request
in the
or
beginning.
something.
Just start to the
Gago.
beginning.
Parang nagagalit siya.
Nasa mo yung loob?
Parang
Nasa mo
nagagalit
yung
siya.
loob?
Parang nagagalit siya.
I'm mad, bro.
Parang nagagalit siya, pre.
That's
Nagagalit
what
siya,
I'm
pre.
saying. Finally I get to play the
Nagagalit.
game.
Pre, skip na tayo, skip na tayo. Alam mo, skip na tayo. Let's
You know,
find like a good
walang
rule.
personality.
Skip na tayo. Let's go, go.
My
favorite
Wala tayong
country.
personalan dito. Okay lang, pre. Okay
Walang
lang yan,
personal.
pre. At least hindi ka
Get to
7,
play.
diba? At least hindi
I
ka
spent the
7.
whole game dead. Let's get it to this time.
Skip mo na, skip mo na.
Ano lang,
Skip muna, skip muna, skip muna.
This is good content.
Give him a
This is
chance,
good
give him a
content.
chance.
Gago,
I swear
never
this is
mind.
good
Walang
content.
skip, I guess.
No.
This is great content. You're gonna be thrown in jail. You're
Tropa
still
pa
not
rin
gonna
sa
be
huli.
playing the game.
I know it. It's not.
Did you...
Hmm.
Kawawa naman si Jay, hindi na makakapaglaro ng game.
But what if hindi siya yun?
I was just doing it for the content.
So, hindi niya talaga yung sinabi. Hindi niya, pero may sinabi siyang finally.
Sinabi niya yung finally, but I was doing it for the content. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Stop messing with me, Dad. Ivy.
I was I was letting
Uy,
Jay crash
kawawa
out
naman
kasi
si
hindi nga siya
Jay.
nakakapaglaro.
Kawawa naman si
That's for the
Jay.
content. But
Bakit mo yan ginawa? That's so mean.
sorry but not sorry.
Kawawa naman si Jay. Paul.
Ikaw ba?
Hindi po.
Ikaw ba?
Nope
Okay.
po. Is that
Hi, Jay.
Jay?
Where are the people at, man?
Jay, Dad, just go.
What?
Dad made it for the content. But is that really you? Is that you?
Tira ulo talaga siya.
I'll protect you if it's you. Okay? Are you sure?
Wala akong trust.
I-
I am not the man
Is that you?
you fell
No.
in love with. Huh?
That's not you?
It's
And
I'm not. Where the fuck is this shit? Where the fuck is this shit? How the fuck do we do this?
What the hell is this?
I think I do
Okay.
this. I need to copy. Okay.
okay. Dikit-dikit kayo dyan, guys.
Dito pala kayo.
Dikit-dikit kayo. Okay. Okay. Hi, Karu. Is that you, Karu? No.
Oh, hello guys.
Where is my task? I have a task
Where is-
here.
Ask.
Is that you, Ponju? Ano ba to? Kulit.
Suspecting some.
Who? Is it you?
Me, I am, ano role mo? I'm the bodyguard.
I'm a normal people. I'm a normal goose.
Okay. I'll protect you.
Okay, thank you so much. Ah,
my
the
God.
lights.
Oh my
No,
God.
let's stay here.
Just to be safe. Just to be safe. Tagot. Nasaan ba yung aking ano?
It's
Dito,
above eh.
mag-eject ako ng garbage.
Okay,
Dito
I'll
tayo.
join you. Okay.
As it took us a- Nawala si... Ayun pala. Tinaban ako sa'yo.
Wait, nagtatask lang ako.
Hindi ko actually alam kung anong role ko.
Protektahan daw eh. Paano ba din yun? Di ko din alam eh.
Yun na yun, paano? Pag may nagsaksak sa akin, paano?
Hindi yan. Ayan na. Oh my God.
Sana
Okay.
yet.
It's been more than 5 minutes and no one has died yet. It's either it's a bad killer or someone's marinating someone.
Or too scared kasi
It was
lagi tayo
me.
magkakasama.
Or
Yeah.
it was you,
Me.
Ponzu.
Ponzu,
Ako?
you're
It
the
was
last
me.
one sa ano
I
Ikaw
was-
yung last sa live support
I'm with Ponzu.
I'm
Like,
with
Okay,
me.
just for content, Jay, you can vote me out. People, you can vote me out just for content.
Yeah,
It
you can
was
vote me out
me,
too,
chat.
for content.
Chat,
Again?
It was me, chat. It was me.
Yeah.
It was
The reason earlier, it was really my intention to have Jay crash out
Chatbot.
for content.
Oh my
shit.
God.
I hate
Oh my
you.
God.
I hate you. I hate you.
I'm sorry, I love you, dude. I love you, Monso.
Wala
Y'all
akong-
can vote
I
me
have
out. I don't
nothing-
really
I
care.
have nothing to say.
Chat, it was me. Trust me, chat. It was me, chat. It was
So,
all. It
pa
was
rin
me
sa
all
huli.
along. It was Agatha all along.
Just for the laughs, you can vote me out.
Tangan binog
Oh!
talaga sila.
May vote kay
Bye bye,
Lalo.
guys.
Binog ko sarili ko, tanginan niyo.
It was nice
Bye,
knowing
me.
you.
Ay. Bakit binoto si Dad? Sabi niya eh, for the content daw. Okay. Ate. Okay. Someone's here. Who is that? Someone is here. Who might that be? Oh my God. Nakapatayin ako. Oh my God. Sino yun? Nakapatayin ako. Who's stay here? Ha? Ano to? Okay. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Dito. Ha? Ano to? Okay. Oh my God. It's Ponzo.
Oh, Ponzo died.
Where were
it's
you
me.
guys?
Oh, you couldn't hear me the whole time pala, Kiro. I'm sorry, I was muted. Oops. What the-
Where were you po?
Oh, I was talking. I was muted. Never mind.
So scared of
Ay guys, asan kayo guys?
I was saying
me
get away
and
from-
Z. Me and Z doctor.
Mhm.
So,
Mhm.
saan nakita yung katawan?
Where was that
Sa
body?
record room.
Sa record room. Where is that shot? Saan yun?
record. Record.
Dun sa may
Record?
buzzer. Rec room?
Rec room.
Where's that?
Rec room.
Where the announcement and the button.
Who is that?
So, pwede ko i-vouch si Z, malayo kami doon. Sa reactor kami.
Okay. So it might be Neon. Magkasama ba si Jay and Kero?
I did not see
I
Neon.
was
I
at
saw
one point.
Carol before we went
I
to
think it's
electrical.
Neon.
Neon, protect yourself. Hmm?
Where? Sorry?
I,
They were at
we were
Because
at
I didn't
electrical.
see you until we went to electrical.
Z, nakita mo ba siya, Z?
Hindi po.
Oh, hindi siya nakita ni Z. Doon rin galing si Z, diba?
Yes.
Oh, see? No, I'm not gaslighting you. Tutulungan kami mag-ama dito.
Wait lang. Hoy. Grabe kayo ah.
Neon. Hindi
Seriously,
ka nakita ni
no.
Z.
Speak
Doon rin
now.
naman na ako galing from electrical rin ako. Di rin kita nakita. So I'm thinking it's you.
Bro, if anybody here is innocent, it's not me. They're gaslighting me.
Kasi, okay, we all have, actually, May, ikaw, Dottie, saan ka?
Galing ako storage and then umakyat ako kasi may task ako sa rec room. Tapos nakita ko doon yung body. Well, no one saw me. So you can say na nag-self-report ako, but I don't.
So I'm asking
Oh.
all of you guys, nagkita ba kayo ni Neon?
No.
I think nag-hide
No.
kami
Sorry, no.
once.
When
Isang
kayo
beses.
nag-hi?
Cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
Yeah.
So that's like very, pwedeng ang paikot yun sa rec room. Ikaw, saan
have
ka,
no idea.
Neon? Where are you right now?
I was at medical.
Medical. Pwede siya mag-vent. Charot.
Medical? Hindi. Pwede siya galing from rec room, tumaas siya, dumaretso sa medical. Kasi pwede niya sabihin, oh, galing ako electrical, kasi doon siya galing sa medical. Kasi sa medical siya ngayon. Pwede niya sabihin, galing ako electrical. Sabi niya kanina, sa electrical siya galing. Ngayon, sabi niya sa medical na siya.
Oh.
Damn.
Dang.
What's the truth, man?
Brain.
Ano vote nyo? Ano vote nyo?
I voted Neon.
I mean, yeah.
I don't know. I'm sorry, Neon. I love you too, bro.
Man,
Oh
we gotta do it to you.
I love you too, bro.
no.
Sorry, man.
Goddamn, bro.
Oh.
I'm gonna have enough of this.
No, I'm sorry, dude.
Why
I'm
make us
so
feel- make us feel
sorry.
bad?
Yeah, don't make this harder. It wasn't him.
What would it be? Hi, Z. Z, is that you, Z? I'll protect you if it's you.
Is that me?
It's not you? But do you know?
I feel like it's Jay.
Bakit siya?
Kasi nung mag-isa kami, he was like looking for people.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, may task ka ba dito? Okay, dito ako sa kabila. May task ako dito. Ay, kasi may task ko. Wait ka lang.
Okay.
Okay, Carol, sure.
Nice content.
Hello.
Okay, guys. Okay.
No.
Dito ba yun? Hindi sa kabila. Ay, walang daan dito. Wala. Jay, is that you? Is it you? Is it you?
Huh?
Is that you? Is it you? Is it you?
Tapos bigla.
Oh, it was
Ang galing ni
Sabi ko
Z.
si Gio sa ano.
Sabi
Hi,
ni Z.
guys.
Hi, chat!
Hi, Gio.
What you guys, yeah, deal.
So the crash out was real or not? Was it?
Oh, it was real.
Oh, was it?
I
It
really
was a
did
real
say,
crash out.
finally, I get to play the game. Sabi ko talaga
Oh
yun.
no.
Okay.
Nagtanim kasi kayo ng galit sa akin.
Kaya nga.
Hindi naman
eh.
siya nagtanim.
Hi,
I was like,
Kamusta ka
I'm
naman,
I was
Gio?
just, you know.
Siya yung pumatay sa akin.
Wait.
How are you,
It's
bro?
Dottie's fault.
Hope you're
This is
doing
to make it fun.
Yeah.
Wait, Hitman.
Zura.
Okay,
Zura,
Hitman Duck and
no.
Bodyguard.
Gusto
Okay,
ko
so
yung
may
role,
Hitman nga.
yung makikita niyo yung role.
Hay nako,
pili
bunso.
tayo.
Ay, nako.
You know
The bodyguard
that.
gets the
Ay,
bonus of
nako.
the hit player, but the
Ay,
Hitman
nako.
gets the
Like
bonus
butter.
for killing them.
Ang galing mo umakting,
Gusto ka
no?
naman.
So kapag may gun ka, you
Deal.
can kill the person. Okay.
Smooth nga ng kill eh. Pag ako na one tap ni Ponzu next round.
What else? Twice per game, eating early. Let's have it with the sheriff. How about that?
Sure.
So my police. You can kill anyone but killing a goose has a fatal consequence. So kapag mali yung pinatay mo, mamamatay ka.
Okay,
If you're the sheriff.
interesting.
Let's go. role? Huh? Guys, like legit, hindi na ba ako mag-iibang role? Am I just gonna be always a goose?
Hey, magusto.
Never in my fucking life.
Hi, chat.
Hi, chat.
I'ma wash the
Last game ko to,
dishes.
no?
Huh? Is that
Last
you?
game na to. Yeah.
Sleep ka na?
Hindi, magda-last game na ako. Yeah.
Bakit? Wow, aga mo.
Tamaran na ako, eh. Di mo na ako naglalaro after ng... I don't play a lot of games after like what? 10? 11? 52?
Okay.
Nagtatag na rin kasi.
Mali.
Well, yeah.
Naiload
Grabe
ako
na yung
baga.
playlist mo, Pons.
Here is my handle, here is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout, ow! Hit a pick me.
For me.
Ipatch.
Ba't wala signal? Wala signal. Hindi ko mahanap yung signal, be. Pero ko signal. Ano to? Sa ano? Okay, I guess. Who are you? Who are you?
Ikaw.
Who are you?
I'm Ponzu.
Hi, Bonjo. Ano ba nag-ano? Okay. Okay. Someone fixed it already. May task pa ako dito. Wala na akong task dito. Hmm? What? Is this enough? Is it? Baka ikaw yun, ha?
Baka
ba yun?
ikaw yun.
I'm not. Wala. Wala siya. Wala siya, guys. Hindi na siya.
What?
Hindi ka ito maayos. Wala mo akong signal, be. Ito na signal. Wala talaga signal. Ayoko na dyan. Hindi ko siya makuha. What is everybody? Everybody seems to be... Hi, Neon. Hi, Carol.
Hello.
Everybody seems to be there or nothing. Why? No, it's not.
That's the wrong one. That's the wrong song.
Not me.
Oh, man.
I
No,
was thinking
ikaw na ano.
Adele. Shh.
Everybody seems to be staring at me. Why? You see, because I'm about to I'm
Scared.
good for nothing. A problem child. What's what you call it? I didn't know that, but you have premium. This is premium. What is this premium? Okay. What else? Why would I shoot that? Mm-hmm.
Somebody die?
Oh,
Well, there goes my only suspicion in the whole game.
Neon and Jay were together. The last time I saw them.
Neon! Neon, you're
What if
dead.
Neon... What if
That
died
Neon?
again.
What if Neon? What if Neon just committed suicide?
Yeah, what
Oh
if
my
it
god.
was seppuku? That's expert
Seppuku.
gaslighting. That's expert gaslighting. Advanced gaslighting.
I mean, come on, anyone see him die? No one. So maybe he just.
Hoy, magkasama si Jay at si Neo nung huling nakita ko sila.
I am currently in between people
Ay, what
and
if
security.
pinatay siya ng sheriff?
No,
Maybe it
if
was
pinatay
actual
siya ng
kill.
sheriff, if pinatay siya ng
Malalaman.
sheriff, the sheriff would be dead as well.
Okay.
Yes, the sheriff will commit seppuku.
So what if nga, binaran niya yung sarili niya kasi siya yung sheriff?
Okay. Well, I don't know about that.
Chill.
I don't know
Is it
I don't know
about
possible?
about that.
Gumagawa ng sariling gameplay yung bot.
Kero has been quiet.
No, I said I'm the
Yeah,
killer.
Keru.
She's shy.
You're the
Quiet.
Kari ko
killer.
ba ang
You're the
Yeah, I'm the
killer?
killer.
You're the killer.
Ayun ang
I'm the killer.
The killer.
Grabe ka. Grabe.
Ikaw ba si killer?
Did stream die?
I
I think-
feel like.
There's something wrong with my
Ayun,
stream. Teka lang, there's something wrong with my stream.
Why, what's wrong?
What's wrong with something?
It's
Baka killer yung streamer.
Baka yung
Died.
streamer was the killer.
Killer.
Target of that.
Baka siya yung
Si
killer.
Pons. Nawala.
Look, sino nag-vote sa
I've
akin?
been
Ikaw, ha?
killing everybody.
Ikaw, ha?
Baka siya si killer.
I will remember this.
Hello?
Hi,
Yeah.
you're back.
I need to do this. Where is this? Saan ba to? Hindi ko makakanap. Saan to? Dito ba to? Dito siya. Paano ba to? Pew. Ay, bakit sumalit? Bakit ganun? Kailan ba to? Okay, eject garbage. Good. Hi, Fonz. Who are you?
Lit.
Wow, everybody's here.
Whoever the killer is, he or she should start killing, because
Pwede pa naman atang gumawa si Nian kahit patay na siya. Wait, let me follow Nian. Plop. Follow. I care. What's your role?
Hello.
What is your role?
It says bodyguard.
Oh, so you should protect the goose. Tama ba? Di ko rin alam eh. You should protect us.
I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Alam ko lang, I am a useless bodyguard. Hindi ko rin alam kung sino yung killer.
Hi, Z. Who are you, Z? Crank it, turn up, energize the puzzle. Okay, where are my people? Hi, Z. Wala na si Kero. Oh my God. Kero, let's go together.
Hello. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay na.
Where?
Oh, nice.
Okay,
Do you have... Wait. Hello.
Why would you kill someone who's disconnected? Oh my god.
Oh
Seriously?
my god.
Shame on you,
Why would you
Latte.
kill someone?
Oh my
I just saw the body.
Me,
chat.
Z,
Shame on
and
you.
Keru are
Shame on
together.
I came from the bridge.
Yeah.
I came
Well,
from the
to be
bridge.
fair, I said next twice.
I think I know who's the killer is.
Who?
Yeah, okay.
It's Latte.
Oh.
Kasi he killed Jay and self-reported it. You know?
What? No, I came from the bridge. I was doing my task there. Went up to do the task na nagkaka-alarm na alarm. Tapos nakita ko. Then I reported.
Jay,
Why would you kill Jay who is
balik
disconnected?
mo, pinatay ka na.
I wasn't.
Come on.
I didn't kill anyone.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Okay. But for real though, if you're the sheriff, try to shoot someone. Please.
It wasn't me, Chad. I'm telling you. I just saw the body.
Gawa pa ata
Oh.
ng malinta si Nian kahit mumuna.
Guys, they're blaming me,
Yes,
Chad.
you
They're
can
blaming
still-
me.
Yes, na-disconnect
Did I
siya.
vote?
Doti, bakit nagchat-chat ka pa sa ano?
Dinig,
Hindi ka na
baka
mag-chat.
kasi hindi ako... Oo nga, no?
Dad, yung stream together na wala ako.
Wala ka? Naka lang ulit.
Katok.
Mad tour. Keru, let's go together. May task ako dito. Hindi ko to ma-figure out. Ano ba to? Hindi ko makuha yung
Yung
signal. Wala akong makuha ang signal.
Antena.
Ayun. Oh my God. It's getting clear na. Oh my God. Is this okay? No, it's not. Yan. Yay. Yay. Z.
Yep. Good job.
Z.
Good job, good job.
I was talking
You're
to
good.
ZZ kung tinapos
Oh my
mo
God,
lang
baby
sa
Z.
amin, ikaw yun.
Wala.
So who was the
Nag-aayos
killer?
ako.
Wait,
Nag-aayos ako ng stream ko, din nag-end yung game.
wait. How did
The sheriff was
Z
Neo,
died?
namatay agad siya.
Hoy, it's 12
Jay
na.
was murdered. Jay was murdered while disconnected.
I really?
Okay.
I died.
Yeah,
while I
you
was
got.
busy.
Yeah, you were murdered by Z.
I'm just a human bodyguard. I'm so sorry.
Si Kero yung bodyguard. She doesn't know what to do.
Oh my God. Wait lang.
I'm so
Namatay si Baby Z?
Yeah, namatay dahil sa
Paano?
hitman. Sa hitman.
Oh, sinong hitman?
I'm not sure. Oh, no, actually, na-complete na pala yung task. Naubos yung
Yeah,
task.
it was a task victory. It's
Mm.
a task victory.
Task victory pala siya. Okay. Do you wanna change
Okay.
maps, guys?
Tara
What was
nga,
the one that
Dad.
we played
I
on
wanna try
before?
something.
We should
Ano ba
go
to
there.
si Latte? Nawala na naman sa ano? Sa
Diyos ko.
Stream Together.
Last
Diyos ko po,
last
Diyos ko
game
po.
ko na.
Last game mo na
Last
dati.
game na raw.
Last game ko na rin.
Oo.
I'm kinda
Why?
tired.
Why?
Why, Kristen? Why?
Okay,
Why
why
does he
Kristen?
want?
Why?
What's the matter?
What's the matter? Why you so
I'm so
angry?
angry.
Why so angry?
Okay, then let's make it tuloy. Let's make it tawag dito, fun. We're gonna be adding a lover role, which is the
Aw.
killer and
Lover.
one of the goose. It's like,
Aw.
bodyguard and shit.
Ano
But
gagawin?
this time we're gonna be adding
I want that.
we're gonna be adding a
Gusto mo
duck.
ng lover? Okay, once.
insane.
Speak for yourself.
We're gonna be adding a duck. We're gonna
Why
be
not?
also adding a pigeon. You know what a pigeon does? It's a
Insane.
neutral.
Oh.
It's a neutral role na kung saan i-infect mo lahat.
Huh?
Yes, you're gonna be infecting everyone to be a
Ooh.
pigeon.
That's interesting. How?
Yes. Wait, sino nawala? Si Latte nawala. What happened to Latte?
Oh.
Masyadong, ang dami ng variants masyado. Pero sige na lang.
I mean, the reason is this is the last game. I think we're gonna be only having one killer, a pigeon, and lovers, and a sheriff.
So 5.
Ayun.
You guys good with that? Where the hell is
Okay.
Latte?
The end of stream.
Umuwi na.
Latte, where are
To
you?
the cafe.
Ate.
Raiding me? Ako ba
Ay,
nire-raid?
wait. Ba't nag-raid si Latte? Insane? Hello?
Ako ba yung nire-raid?
Insane.
Insane? Last
Hey, by
game
the way,
na tapos
Keru,
nag-raid
thanks
ko
for
sila.
joining us. Very awesome. Very cool.
Okay, let's go
Thanks
play
for
one
joining
more.
us.
Last game.
Yes, we all accept you. I accept.
Ponzu, come on.
We're so accept. Crazy.
Ponzu.
Thank you, Latte, for the raid. Pengu raid. Oh no. Paano kung malalaman kung sino yung ano? Paano? Ay. Paano kung malalaman? Huh. Paano kung malalaman yun? I don't know. Ito ba yan? Dito. And not this one. Okay. So,
Oh, somebody killed me and said hello.
hi, Carol. What's your role?
The sheriff. I don't like this.
I am one of the lovers. I don't know what it does.
Oh no.
Anong ginagawa nun?
Hala. When your lover, I think pag yung lover mo namatay, both of you are dead.
Oh no. You should protect each other pala. I need to find kung sino man yun. Paano ko malalaman kung sino yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Paano ba? Paano ba to? Nodes. Paano ba to? Okay. Okay, so... Hi, Jay. May wala si Jay. Jay!
Hello.
Jay! What's your role, Jay?
Guys. How about we just go together and then we'll figure out that later, whatever
Okay.
that is.
Okay, I trust you.
Okay.
Okay, if you said
Ayan na nga.
Okay.
Burger.
I was gonna be
So,
reporting it.
Do you guys want to explain why you were walking away from a body? Oh,
Yeah,
Sino?
because we were
excuse me.
outside.
Guys, come on.
You know that the ducks can use the vents, right? There was
That's
a vent
true,
on top.
but you guys were so close to it.
Burger.
Doti, nakita niyo ba
Hmm.
yun?
Burger.
That's a
Kasama ko
little-
si
that's a little
Kero.
weird.
Kasama ko si Kero. The
I
whole
don't know,
time.
dude.
We were together.
nagpapasyal lang kami.
We were going down.
Lumi.
We were
You don't
both
just
in the
walk
showers.
off the body, bro.
No, the thing is
Both
we
in
were
the
going
shower?
off the showers. Yeah.
Why were you guys? Oh my. Well, sorry, but I'm voting for you, bro. I can't. Not in good conscience. Not like
Okay.
this. Especially pag ganito yung role. Yeah, no, sorry. Wag ka mag-walk off ng body ng ganyan. I know it's you. I know it's you.
Okay. I ain't doing nothing. Sabi nila
Wala
sa
kang
chat
alibi.
burger.
I don't know.
Wala kang alibi.
No, I'm not gonna be
Burger.
doing any alibi. Because again, I'm
Oh.
innocent. I'm not doing anything.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So, hindi si Dad yun. Sino yun? Kapartner ko. Where is that? No. No. Dun ba sa name? Hindi ko sure kung yung kapareho ko ng color ng name. Yun ba yun? Z. Okay. Eh di I know it na pala. Okay, ano to? Good.
Zigzid.
Ay, nice na.
Alright. Okay, who's missing? Where's Lobe? There you are. That guy. Fucker. Alright. Oh, I keep on pressing the X.
Z, are you one of the lovers? Because ako yung isa. Z. Z. Ikaw ba yun?
Yes.
Okay. We need to protect each other. Kasi pag namatay ka, mamamatay ako.
Oh,
And vice versa.
I swear I saw somebody go.
Oh my God. Ito na naman sila. Ayan na naman. Oh no.
Ah.
See, here's the thing. Kara died.
Well, Karu. Now that's kind of weird considering kung sino yung kasama ko ngayon.
Wait, who's you with?
Wait lang. No.
Yeah? You want to say something? Go on.
Okay. Here's a dying message from me to me. Vote
Oh
Lumi
no.
daw.
Okay.
Dying message, hello.
Vote Lumi. Okay, that's enough reason for me, bro.
Shade. Oh
What
my
the
God.
fuck, Neon?
Nah.
Walking
No,
off the
wait.
body.
Trust me on this one. It's definitely
from-
Lumi.
No,
From-
the only time
Sino?
Neon is trying to talk is to
No,
defend.
I put faith in Neon. I trust. I put faith
Wow,
in
after
Neon.
you killed Neon the other round, huh?
Ito ako sa
Wow.
corner.
You know,
Oh my
really?
God.
we-
Oh my
Really?
God.
we switch up.
Really?
Sinasabihan ko. Oh my
Really,
It's
God.
the last game.
Really?
Kailangan natin ng content, no?
Mali ako na nasabihan.
Jace,
Oh my
really?
God.
As
I'm so
Kero would
sorry,
say,
Leon.
there's
Wait
still
lang,
a
sino
pigeon.
iba-vote natin?
Mind you, there's still a pigeon running around.
Oh my God.
I swear.
Okay. Kailangan ko lapitan pala si Neon. Mali pala ako na nalapitan. Oh my God.
Wow.
Nalito ako sa color.
Well, damn.
Pareho kasi silang red.
So long,
Oh my
soldier.
God. Ishi. Oh my God. Ay, wait lang.
Oh my
Jay,
God.
come on. You could have won.
Carol.
Oh my God.
Good job.
Hoy, wait lang. May
Ano
chika
bang role ng
ako.
pigeon? Di ko magets.
The pigeon can
I
infect everyone.
Infect PayPal.
Hoy, wait lang.
Let's play one
Alam niyo
more.
ba?
Let's play
Teka
one
lang.
more.
Wait lang. May
One more.
sasabihin
Sorry na.
ako.
Ayun,
Listen.
Sila.
Hoy, may sasabihin ako. Wait lang.
Ay,
Teka lang, listen. Di ba may
say
lover?
please.
Magkakulay kasi si Z at saka si Neon. Ang nalapitan ko si Z. Kahit si Neon pala yung ka-partner dapat. Tapos si Z naman, umagri lang siya. Mali ako na nalapitan. Tawan-tawa ako.
No.
Si Neon pala
Okay,
dapat
let's
yung
play
hinanap
last
ko.
one.
Okay,
Since we
another
had
one.
custom
We
roles.
should
Last
do
one.
We should do one more.
Last
Okay. Oh my God.
Wait
This
lang.
is real
Pa-explain
fun.
muna. Ano muna role ng lovers?
Lovers are gonna
Protect
be the
each other?
people who are connected to each other, regardless if they're both goose or ducks, or a goose and a
And then?
duck. And then they would
Uh-huh.
be able to go ahead and communicate even they're dead.
Oh.
Oh my God. Mali ako na nalapitan. Pareho
Ah.
kasi kayong red.
Those are lovers.
Sorry na, may.
Okay, last
been
game
He's
na talaga
okay.
for real.
Okay, last game na talaga. Last game na. Last
Okay.
game.
Last game for real,
Sponsor.
guys.
Hello,
Last
Gio.
game
How
for
are
real.
you? It's so
Actual
nice
last game.
to see you here. Miss.
Ay, tawa ako. Ngayon, mali. Nice. Should have done better. Now I am a normal goose. Where do I go? Hey, Dad.
Hang on.
Wait, how do I know?
The color.
Jay. Come here, Jay.
Of course, you would say that it's not.
Thank
Di ako makamove on. Ano ba yan? I cannot.
Hello.
Hi, Carol. What's your role? Hi, Sisi. Ay, halik. Ang sa kanila. Nice. Nice.
Mouse is broken.
Hmm?
It's double. It's a double click. Oh my god.
Kailangan mo na ng mouse talaga. Nice. Tama. Saan mo nakita, Su?
Hello.
Saan mo nakita?
Hold on. I'm trying to fix my Spotify.
Fix
Ang
the Spotify
ano
first.
sa music. Anyway, what the heck? Nagulat ako dun I'm surprised nakita ko. And then, tatlo na pala yung body. Sino nakakita dun sa isang body? Nakita niyo yung kay Dad na body?
Hindi. Wala akong nakita.
Kasi I saw both of those bodies. Kay BBC and then kay Jay. Somewhere around, let me see the map. Here sa engines.
Engines.
And then, yes.
Engines? Wait lang. And like, engine? Bakit ang bilis mo makarating doon? Eh, magkasama lang tayo sa medical.
Medical? Because
Nakita
I was
kita sa
running around. I
medical.
was trying to find my quest. Nakita ko si Kero and Neon doon. They were both just staying there.
Wait, ang
Hindi
bilis
nila
mo.
nire-report yung body.
Hindi, wait. As in, kasi ngayon, nasa may medical ako. Nakita rin kita doon. Tapos sabi mo nakita mo yung body sa engine. Bakit ang bilis mo mag-travel
Imagine,
doon?
Dottie, imagine kung ilang minutes din yon. I will just run around from left and then up, then left diretso. It's so easy if dadaan ako from electrical. Diba? Diretso lang yun. Can you see the map?
Yes, okay.
And I found both Neon and Kero there. They were just chilling with those bodies, with those dead bodies.
It's not Neon, it's me. I'm
No,
sorry.
it's me. No, it's me.
It was me.
No.
I'm
But why are you
sorry.
guys not doing anything?
No, I was trying to explain. I was like, oh no, I don't know now. And then another one came. And then
Oh, I know it. So, kaya baka tatlo agad kasi may namatay doon sa isa sa lovers, tapos namatay na rin yung isa?
ganun ba yon? Kapag namatay yung isa, madadama yung isa?
Yata. Ang alam ko? Okay.
Pero hindi ko na narinig yung explanation ni Kero kasi napindot ko na yun. I was too excited to click. to click the emergency. Sorry about that, Kero.
It's okay.
But yeah.
I'm used to being ignored.
Oh no, I did not ignore you.
I was told you workplace.
Nobody wants your voice was too low kasi for me. Hindi ko masyadong napansin.
It's okay.
Hmm.
I'm used to the treatment.
No,
Hmm.
no, Kero.
Ganun talaga ang mga tao.
I'm feeling bad tuloy. I just wanted to report.
Joking. I'm just joking. Just joking. I'm just joking. It's okay. It's okay, Ponzu.
Ang bilis talaga nung paglalakad niya.
Who should,
Like sa
sino yung binoto
engine.
mo, Doti?
Ikaw.
Me? Oh my god, guy, I'm telling you, Doti.
Sorry.
I'm telling you. I'm
Hindi
saying the
talaga
truth.
ako dun sa bilis.
Kahit itry mo pa later, mag-count ka tumakbo ka from medical to engine. Mag-count ka.
Okay. Ang bilis.
Oh my god. Neon, what were you
my
doing
God.
over there?
I was shocked, okay? I don't know what to
So like, Carrie was explaining because you're the one who found her.
Let's finish the task so we can win. Ay, ibang pala. So ba dito yung CCTV? Para makita ko. Parang pa ba? Ang dami naman task. Ano ba yan? Super dami naman ito. Come on.
How about this?
Oops.
Hey, Dottie, come here.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So wanna take a bet?
Okay. Okay. We bet.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Oh, well, there it is.
Oh my god, the pigeon won?
Okay.
Oh my god, Neon infected all of us.
Bet.
Oh my
Bet.
god.
Nice.
Nice bet.
You can the sheriff cannot kill the pigeon because the pigeon is a neutral a neutral.
Okay. Nalito ako dun ah.
Yeah.
Nawiplas ako sa hugot ni Kero. I was like, whoa. Damn.
Nice
But
pigeon.
Kero.
Kero died.
I didn't say Kero yet. I was like,
Kero was
whoa,
like,
God damn.
I said, Kero,
That was one,
kill
I was
one
already.
either of us.
Let me hold on to what little bit of sanity I have left. Oh my God, it's big.
I was like at the start of the game.
Damn.
I was like at the start of the game when I went
Wilted
to
rose.
Jay. I was like, Jay, I love you.
Oh,
Hindi tayo
Heartbreak
nag-picture
emojis.
Oh my
together.
god.
I'm used to the pain.
Alerty.
Hindi tayo nakapag-picture na kompleto.
Nag-doubt pa sa akin si Dottie.
Sorry, Ponzo. I'm sorry, Dottie.
Hindi, nagduda talaga ako dun kasi ang
No,
bilis.
Kero, you were doubling
Pag
down.
mabilis
You're like,
talaga,
I'm
Dottie,
used
pag
to it.
dire-diretso lang.
I'm used to being ignored. I was like,
Okay.
whoa.
First time na
Nag-incubate kasi ako.
Hey, no, it's not the first time, Iya. Hello.
Kero, please.
Oh my god, people. Well, thank you
You
very
were-
much for the games, guys.
You were really good,
Oh,
Kero. You were really
Sorry
good.
again. I'm so
No
sorry.
need to
Y'all
say
are really
sorry.
good.
No need to say
Don't
sorry.
need to
It was
say-
your wrong.
Don't say
need to
sorry. We don't
apologize.
trust anybody anymore. It's okay.
You were
Yeah.
really good.
Thank you, Carol, for
Good job,
being
good job,
here with
guys.
us.
Guys, thank you so
Thank you,
much.
guys.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
to
much. I really, really
Neon for
appreciate so much.
joining.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Bye.
Thank you
Thank
for
you,
joining, guys. Bye bye,
everyone.
guys.
Thanks for playing.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Oh, guys. Okay.
It was
Yeah,
a
that was
nice
exhausting.
game.
Not gonna lie.
It is. But it was
But yeah.
fun.
That was
Yun,
crazy.
that was insane,
Okay.
legit.
So I'll
Blew
be
my mind.
ending the stream
Grabe, no?
na, I think.
Imagine yun, no? From Jackbox, tas GGD kayo.
Yeah,
Crazy.
that's true.
Okay, so that's all. Ay, ex ko na siya. Anyways, so that's all for today's stream. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Nian. Thank you for joining the game next time ulit. Thank you, guys. I'm ending the stream na. It's getting late na rin. Thank you so much. Yes, yes. Nakasali ka na ba sa server ni Pons? Doon kami lagi nakatambay. Anyways, that's all. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate you so much. Okay, bye-bye. Kokak, kokak. Kokak, kokak. Sleep well, everyone. Good night. Kokak, kokak, kokak.